Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.
Welcome back to the channel. Girl's looking rough. I just got home from work and I'm getting ready to do a straighten up of my room. I'm also about to cook dinner.
I'll make it fast.
I don't know how to do that.
Mommy, look at this.
I see, really cute.
And then I got this so cute baby.
Cool. So yeah, so I'm about to do a cleanup. Y'all about to see me cook some dinner. This is gonna be pretty much my Monday night routine for tonight. This is not what my routine typically looks like all the time, but it's what it looks like today. So yeah, let's get into it.
You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered. How many girls chasing after you? If I left town again, would you come through? I don't know where we'll go. Can we grow? This is home, as if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got time, and I've got miles. I've got miles. You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered. How many girls chasing after you? If I left town again, would you come through? I don't know where we'll go. Can we grow? This is home, as if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got time, and I've got miles. I've I've got miles. You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else mattered. How many girls chasing after you? If I left town again, would you come through? I don't know where we'll go. Can we grow? This is so, as if nothing else matters. Can we fly? You've got time, and I've got miles. I've got miles. You're the best out of all of them. I read every letter you sent, even when you left town again. Been through hell and then back again. And you're never too serious. They think that you sleep too much, but they don't know you like I do. Wanna sit here and talk with you, as if nothing else mattered, as if nothing else matters, as if nothing else.
Alright, you guys, so I am just sitting here opening up some mail real quick. So I thought I would do like a quick little,
You're the best out of all of them.
rant about my COVID vaccine. So I got the COVID vaccine. I got the Pfizer vaccine, and yeah, I got the Pfizer vaccine, and my first shot made me extremely tired, y'all. Like I was knocked out. I was at work like horrible. So I came home, I think I got home at 4 o'clock, and I slept until the next morning. I also had like a lot of night sweats that particular night. But after that, the next few days I was just kind of sleepy, but that was it. So then I had my second vaccine. It's been about a week now since my second vaccine. And I was actually most nervous about it because everybody was saying that the second vaccine is the worst, and you know it's gonna make you feel like you have the flu, you feel like you're dying, y'all. I had prayed because I had a test that I was taking the Monday after my vaccine. I got my vaccine on Friday, and that Monday I had a test that I had to sit for, 2 tests, and I was like, Lord, I cannot. I said, I'm sorry, but I cannot have no adverse side effects because I just found out I'm taking this test and I am not I'm not ready, you know. Sorry, y'all. I'm packing some stuff. We're gonna have another Amazon haul, but stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I was just like, I can't afford to get sick right now, and I just need not to have no symptoms. And honey, the Lord worked it out for me, because when I tell y'all, I didn't have any symptoms from that shot at all. I think the first night I may have been tired, but I may have been tired because it was Friday, and you know, I was not tired on Friday, you know. So I'm honestly not really sure. Oh, you guys, this is a strawberry acai with lemonade, no strawberry recluse in it. Perfection. So yeah. But the second shot was really good for me. I know everybody's like, you know, experience is different, and I actually kind of want to talk about why I got the COVID vaccine. So there are 4 educators in this house. No, I lied. 3 educators in my house. We all work at different schools, and in addition to that, my children go to another school. So we bring 4 different schools worth of whatever home every day. Now, granted, I am very strict about when my kids come home. My kids come home, they go straight to the shower, just like me. I come home, go straight to the shower. Like, we don't play. We wash clothes immediately, hot water, you know, all that. But I wanted to cut down the risk of me bringing something back to my children. And so my mom also got the vaccine, you know, for her own health, but also for that same reason, since children are not getting the vaccine, you know, just cutting down the possibility of bringing it home. This kind of brought me more peace. And I know some people are for it and some people are against it. And that's to each their own. But my reasoning for it after a lot of prayer was to do that. Also, your girl wants to travel. Like, let's just keep it a buck. I want to travel. And I know that at some point they're going to require you to have a vaccine or to travel. So why not just go ahead and get it too? You know, that was like an added benefit. So granted, I'm big on mask wearing. Me and my children are accustomed to mask wearing. Y'all know that from Vlogmas. We live in Japan. Wearing a mask is normal for us. So, you know, how people complain about wearing masks. Okay, like, we're not pressed. So, yeah, you know, I did get the COVID vaccine, and Lord willing, just like He protected me up until I, you know, made the decision to get it, He's going to continue to keep me even after getting it. And, you know, I just thank God that my experience with it was a good one, and I didn't have any adverse side effects. And, you know, and I pray for people who do, you know, have different side effects to it, because I know that it can be really tough for people, you know. But yeah, you guys, so I'm gonna just go ahead and close the vlog out there. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I know today, like, y'all, this is real life, like what I do. I get off work at 4 o'clock, and it is just now almost 8, and I have just sat down right now recording this. I have done everything that y'all see in this vlog, that was condensed down into this vlog, and also excuse me, we'll put my kids down after this, and from there we'll hopefully wind down myself so that I can get some rest before going to work. So yeah, I just wanted to thank you guys again for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.